Yo, real talk. Did you get some sleep, fucking guy? Win 12K. What's up, Smith? No, last time I tried to, you left. I tried to propose something, but then you said I have to leave. You missed it. Could have had it. Real talk.
Next said stream avoiding Rees watch real talk.
True. Is there fucking TTS in Discord?
Next said please watch now.
Why is there TTS in Discord? Google voice.
Next said nigger.
No. Bro. Not fucking cool. We're speed running to the Taliban Lance. Jesus, 1 second.
Said my name is Vlad and I am a gay Russian twink.
Why you guys do this? And why can't I adjust it in volume mixer? Here we go. No more. Jesus Christ. Oh, let's have some volatile, dude. I'm gonna start banishing people to the ink. You guys can go say shit there. I've outsmarted the Discord marquee. It is. It is no longer possible. All right, guys, let's get into it. I hope you are all having a fantastic Friday. Let's take a look at what's going on in the markets here. Let's switch over to the left side scene. Here we go. Welcome. A couple of disclaimers before we start off. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a trader trading my own shit. All the tools that I'll be using on stream can be found on the bapigindicator.com website. These guys make the best mathematics-based indicators on TradingView. They also have a bunch of free stuff available, so check them out. They will definitely increase your profitability and prevent you from doing dumb shit. Also, there's a referral link in the description of the stream and a link for our Discord as well. Come join us, come hang out, come ask questions, come show us your portfolio. Yes, all right, let's see what the market is doing today. Let me just quiet the music down a little bit more. All right, let's start off with the indices here. Australia 200 index falling up from yesterday, having another nice day up today in the trading session. Moving up on the SSR, moving up on the MOM, above the POVMA, entropy moving down. Nice. Would like to see volatility expand here. If we continue declining, I'd probably want to be somehow hedged against it if I'm long on something like this. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. So far, so good though. SSR doesn't have too much room as the bands are squeezing here. Let's take a look at the Germany 30. Germany 30 was looking like one of the more powerful indices here over the last week or so. Above the POVMA, volatility also declining. MOM in the positive zone gave you a cross down a couple of days ago, and SSR suggesting, hey, this is unlikely to persist in this kind of fashion here outside of the band. How's Russia doing? Russia having an up day. Nice. Not too much. I think we were suggesting that, hey, this is not any sort of trending type of move, as the SSR was moving down on some sort of mean reversion. The thing that I would want to bet on here is volatility expanding in the near future. So far, it looks like it's going to come to the downside as long as you're below the POVMA, with MOM in the negative zone here, kind of confirming that. So let's see where we go next week. We probably close the day something like this. MOEX, very similar from the indicator's perspective, also not trending on the SSR, also deeply negative on MOM, and HVP expanding for quite a while now. Not a good stance here below the POVMA. Let's actually take a look at how we're going to close the weekly. The weekly on MOEX is still above the POVMA, and you are getting some sort of decrease in entropy, although nothing too significant. UK 100. Wow, looking actually very positive for a Friday close. Entropy moving down on a move up. This is quite nice, although the SSR is still suggesting this is some sort of mean reversion and likely to start something new here, as it is below the bottom band there. I would want to be protected against volatility here. It could come in either direction, or it could just basically expand the range itself. We'll have to refer to the momentum indicators for that. It is above the POVMA, so it is quite positive here for the time being. Let's see if we can maintain that and get a further decrease in entropy for next week. That will be that'll make it quite a lot clearer. I think on the weekly as well, we've been looking at this, suggesting, hey, volatility is very low here on the weekly as well. This can take quite a long time to play out. Something like last time, it took us 322 days, and then to get the big block of volatility, it took us 3 years, something like 3 years. So these things can definitely take time. I don't think anybody does 3-year long options trades. Well, maybe people do, I don't know, they're fucking crazy. But you're definitely gonna bleed some premium there. Something to keep an eye on though as we go forward. China 50, update, not much of a move here. Nothing really changed from the indicator's perspective. Volatility still going lower, still below the POVMA. MOM still negative. HSI, it was outside of the band, suggesting, hey, you're not going to see this persist in this kind of fashion. It has now started to move inside the band on the SSR. With the price moving lower, I'm not going to take too much away from this. I still don't have an expectation of whether we go to see new lows in HSI and the China 50. It just, I'm not expecting this sort of extreme move down behavior to continue. We could chill out here for a little bit, cool the volatility further, catch some sort of drift. We'll have to wait and see for next week. Japan 225. Not much. Nothing much has changed since yesterday. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be repeating this a lot, but it looks just like an insignificant move, so there isn't really much that changes from the assumptions here. Still quite random, still probably cools the volatility. Mom is still positive, still above the POVMA. Nikkei, likely to start something new here on Nikkei. For all the people posting shit in the Discord attempting to get it onto my fucking stream, I've turned off the Discord volume, so good luck. Good luck with that. All right, let's take a look at the US Indices Dow Jones. Not a very significant open today, very close to yesterday's close actually. SSR still moving up on this move up above the POVMA. Volatility going lower. This is something I want to be keeping an eye on, as you know, we could get a spike here at any point in time. I would kind of refer to the HVZ to denote that, hey, there could be a spike in volatility incoming. Let's wait and see. So far, very positive on the US indices, especially with the S&P 500 giving you a reduction in entropy here. Looks like that's gonna get followed up with today. We were suggesting, hey, this might be at the bottom of a massive move up, which looks like it's a continuation of today. Watch for SSR to get outside of the band to kind of denote, hey, unlikely to persist in this fashion. We are starting to get near the 5% and the 1% cones, but not quite there yet. Overall, very positive. Let's see how the week closes here. I think on the weekly, your SSR is now, yeah, your SSR is now outside of the band as well. And volatility is very low. So something that we'll be looking at next week, I'm going to be mostly paying attention to entropy here to kind of denote, hey, this up move is likely over, just because it gives us these like long bouts of reduced entropy. The other thing that I'm concerned with is volatility. So far it's okay, you know, just some sort of fucking reduction here in HVP, probably some drift, but it can spike at any point in time, especially with the weekly being so low here. So far so good though, no need to overcomplicate things. Very nice move for the S&P 500. Is Nasdaq doing the same thing? Yeah, Nasdaq is doing the same thing. It is now going lower on entropy as well. Mom's deeply positive, SSR pointed up. Nice, powerful tools. I mean, what more do you fucking want to trade? You know, like you got an entropy, or sorry, entry over here on Nasdaq just from the SSR perspective. You've gotten some trades on the HVP from over here, with the mom being negative actually way earlier. Powerful stuff. All right, let's take a look. How much more time do we have? We have 2 minutes before the open. Let's take a look at some shitcoins. Bitcoin, we let go of our crypto positions yesterday, suggesting, hey, we might see some more randomness in this market. Volatility is very low. There's some chance that we see that I'm able to reduce my cost basis on these trades. I wanted some lower entries. Am I going to be 100% right on that? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Market's fucking random. Price is random. So let's wait and see. I think on some of them, for example, BNB, you know, it ended up going higher today. For example, I let go of this position yesterday, made fucking fantastic profit on it, but hey, a little bit too early. And that's all right. I'm still going to be waiting on Bitcoin to try and sort out whether it wants to take a dip down or not. One thing I'm looking at as well is whether the mom will cross back up. If we're above the POVMA and the volatility picks up on the way up, I will change my mind on that, as well as the entropy and the SSR. Those can provide us with some good indication of whether I'm going to be totally wrong on that or whether I will be able to get a lower price. Let's take a look at Ethereum. And that's the market open. Welcome to Friday. Yay! Let's fucking go. It's so funny that people are still fucking shouting shit out in Discord, but it doesn't play on stream, so I don't know why they're doing it. Entropy moving back up, suggesting, hey, you're gonna see some randomness here. SSR, the MA on it is still moving up, but probably gives you a cross down at some point in the near future here. Somewhere in Korea, Jesus. Mom going negative here while still above the POVMA. That's all right, but probably takes some step down. Let's wait and see. I don't want to call it. I don't want to have too many assumptions just from my brain. I want to actually see some entries before there's anything actionable. All the shit that we do here really is just to take the temperature. It's not really to trade. You guys who see me take actual trades, I take them from the conditions being met, like hey, volatility is expanding, SSR is moving up, mom's positive above the POVMA, I'll take a trade. You know, that's a bit different, looking for an entry versus looking for just looking at the markets generally, just because most of the days too, they're just going to be randomness, they're just going to be noise, so there's nothing really to analysize about. It's just it is what it is. All right, we actually do have to see the conditions change, or you'll see me take bets on volatility for HVP, for example. We've done that on QCOM, Comcast. Those worked out pretty well. Let's take a look, see at the crypto top 100. What's losing money today? Tell, I think this was the biggest, one of the bigger losers yesterday as well. HVP picking up, price moving down, nice. OMG, nothing to say much about here. Still above the POVMA, HVP expanding. You got a nice little exit on the HVZ here, suggesting, hey, you're likely to cool off on the volatility for a little bit here. Oh my god, who the fuck is this guy in Discord? Yo. Alpha for you. Oh my god, alright. Some volatile dude. I think you got some work to do in the Discord, my friend. Good luck. Alright, let's take a look. CRO, wow. Big move for CRO. Way outside of the band here. Nice. On the 1% cone here, or just above it actually. Nice. If you're participating in this crypto.com coin, whatever the fuck this is, well done. Well done. Nice little entry on low HVP here. Nice entry on the SSR moving up here on volatility expansion as well. Fucking well played if you're a part of this. We got to do a better job of scanning for coins. Look, it also is kind of giving me the impression that I'm probably going to be wrong on letting go of my trades too early, but it's better than letting go of them too late, and I can always re-enter. I'll be doing that probably on Monday if this type of shit continues, if we get some better entries around the POVMA or the next kind of change in momentum and the SSR. We'll take some more trades. Nice. Well done if you're in any of these, actually. Fucking BNB doing powerful things. Yeah, BNB doing powerful things as well. Be careful, you are going into something like a mean reversion here, although still very, very positive. Robert Rand, welcome. Welcome. All right, let's take a look at some of the... What's GitLab doing? What's Facebook doing? Let's take a look at Facebook. Facebook SSR still moving up with this move up. Nice. Mom is extremely positive. Look for a cross down to kind of denote, hey, you might take some time to cool off here. Nice confluence with the SSR there as well. You got entropy moving back up, suggesting that, hey, this behavior has likely come to an end. You're going to do something a little bit more random here. The other one we looked at yesterday was AMC. AMC might actually become an actionable trade. If not now, then very soon. I want to see HVP expanding to see which direction it expands into. So far, it's a positive bias here. As you're above the POVMA, your mom's positive, your SSR is moving up. AMC might give you a nice fucking trade. Is GME similar? These two things were kind of getting shouted out on the whatever the fuck, the Wall Street bets. Quite a lot. I think they both had pretty fucking big pumps. Of course, GME was the one that had the most eyes on it. You cooled that volatility way the fuck down. SSR outside of the band here, so be aware of that. Actually, HVP expanding with a positive move up. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the next bomb cross up, and I'll probably end up taking a trade on this. Nice. Okay, perfect. We got some things lined up. What else were we in? Texas Instruments was getting shouted out for low IV rank. Gap fill. Oh my god. Get your gaps filled here. All right. What can we say about this? Above POVMA, HVP likely still expanding. SSR moving up on the move up now, and mom positive there. This, you might have a trade on your hands here as well. Let's actually take a look at the probabilities on something like this. I think you have a higher chance of going up than going down, especially from a momentum and SSR perspective. But let's just see what the actual probabilities are. 204.20 and like 182.80. Did we do something wrong here? 180. Let's go 183. 183 even. 183 even. Yeah, so a much higher probability of going to the upside. 45% of beating the all-time high over the next 30 days. Powerful. 40% of staying inside the range and 14% of going below. So definitely from a probabilities perspective, this has a bullish bias on it. I might actually take a position on this just because you are already expanding the HVP here. The things can get pretty insane in a short period of time. Nice. Looks like we got some setups for next week. Perfect. Look at that. The fucking Discord is just mad. All right. Let's see how Peter Schiff is doing today. Gold still quite random behavior here. Let's take a look. Take this off. Yeah, gold's still quite random. Entropy is quite high, although you are likely to start something new here on the SSR soon. You're way outside of the bottom band here. Last time we were outside, you got a nice trade to the downside with the HVP expansion here as well. I gift you a sub to Summy, Vlad. Thanks, dude. Much appreciated. I'm not sure if it's did you do that today or yesterday? If you did that today, I don't know why it's not coming through. But either way, I appreciate you, man. That's awesome. Thank you. But you are still not becoming mod. I hope you understand. All right. Yeah, let's see where this goes. Volatility is quite low. Let's take a look at the weekly. What are we? Let's take a look at the weekly here. Mom's positive above the POVMA. If it closes the week like this, probably a positive bias here, just because you're above the POVMA here and mom is positive. Nice. Nice. There's likely a move in gold as well coming up. Lots to keep an eye on next week. Especially with the markets. If they have a strong close, they probably will have a strong close today. Nice. Fuck. We can't stop making money. Jesus. Can't even take a break. Alright, let's take a look at some currencies. USD ruble, nothing burger move. USD CAD will probably have some volatility over the next 120 days. SSR will give you a setup as well on the next trending type of move. Powerful. USD CAD, if you're trading currencies, you probably keep this one on your radar because this will likely have some sort of move coming up. Nice. Dixie. Yo, powerful Dixie. You're now getting a tick down in entropy on the move up. HVP expanding. SSR attempting to cross up here from a very low zone. This could spell trouble for a bunch of currencies. Although the Dixie's really USD Euro. I think 60% of this basket is Euro. But if you're short on the US dollar, expecting inflation, God fucking damn it, Smints, why you do this? Why? All right, you get one more chance and you're back, dude. I'm gonna get speed ran into Taliban land, okay? All right, for the Dixie, yeah, no, not good if you're short the US dollar here. Maybe more than I can delete. Oh my god, you guys. All right, let's take a look at some of the ones we were looking at before, like Tesla. What's Tesla doing? Any changes in this sort of behavior? No, not yet. Entropy still quite low. HVP still expanding. Mom has gone negative, but you're above the POVMA. And SSR is saying that, hey, this is likely some sort of mean reversion. Probably takes a couple of down days before doing something new. But overall, very, very powerful. I wouldn't want to bet against this quite yet. You are in the unlikely territory. If you're taking longs here, you're in a very unlikely land. 5% cone coming up to the 1% cone. You have a 90% chance of staying inside the cone, so bet that however you would like, but you are in unlikely territory. Nice. Let's take a look at Coinbase. We are in unlikely land. Yes, exactly. Heard it here first. God damn it. You try doing this, man. It's fucking difficult, okay? Coinbase having some ticks up on the SSR. Nice. Let's see if the mom can cross up on this and give you the next powerful move up. On the shorter time frames, you are likely to continue cooling this HVP here. HVZ going lower as well. Yeah, no real opinion here. Be careful with the shorter time frames here, because like let's look at a 4-hour. You are deeply negative on mom, and you are starting to get a red candle here. And if the SSR continues to tick up on a down move, you could get a bout of volatility to the downside here. We have to wait and see. This is this is before we got any sort of setup, but if this sort of behavior continues, you could see a good chance to reduce your cost basis. Nice. Thank you for the bit, my friend.
Real Smiants. X1.
Oh no. Oh no. It's starting. All right, let me see if I can.
Real Smiants. X1.
Bro, stop. What are you doing? All right, can I quiet this? Yes, I can.
Real Smiants. X1.
There we go. No. All right. I'm gonna make the I'm gonna make the alerts way more expensive. Let's take a look at rates. Rates are down before the Friday close here. Let's see if we can maintain this. Let's actually look at the weekly here. Yeah, weekly rates are down as well. Is it a good time to go long TLT? SSR likely to give you a setup on TLT soon, probably next week. Let's see what happens here. Might not be very nice for the economic outlook. Usually when rates go lower, you have less growth, not the other way around. The narrative has always been that, hey, it's stimulus. No, not according to any empirical study that, for example, Richard Werner has done. It's actually the other way around.
3 Alsmans. X1.
All right, we're gonna have to live with this for a second. All right, let's take a look at, what time is it? 4:45. Jeez, we're burning through this stuff way too fast. How's GitLab doing? Oh, look at that. GitLab is having another powerful day up. Nice. How's Udemy doing? Not so nice. Nothing sort of to take a look at here from the tools perspective. These things are just too recent, but these were adds to my portfolio. I'm gonna be holding them for a while. Neck, oh my god, fucking get you guys perma banned from Twitch. Jesus. All right, were you banned from Twitch? Welcome back. Powerful neck. I think he's got a very small neck. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. I think had a earnings event of some sort. Yeah, nice. Anything you guys are looking at? Yes, I was banned. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's see how fast you can speed run it this time, my friend. Jesus, Bali fucking posting his portfolio. Powerful stuff. Are you actually in TNA? Nice. Is TNA the clothing company? Does that still exist? No, it's the small cap bull shares. Nice. Powerful. What else were we looking at? We were looking at parts. Not quite on a setup yet. I'd like to see the SSR move up here. Could probably give you something soon. Still rich as fuck. Kind of want to take a position on AMC, not gonna lie. Alright, we'll wait. And Fuel Cell was another one that was getting shouted out by Weebos, I think, for some sort of, I want to say, insider buying. I'm not sure if this is how he sorts this one, but from a tools perspective, you got some nice entries over here on the HVP. And now you're getting Entropy. This could be a good trade as well. Fuck. Okay. Lots to do. All right. Anything you guys are looking at, anything you want to see, let me know in the chat. How's the pot sector doing? Still not so hot for the pot sector. Canopy growth getting a new low, and the SSR taking up on it. Dogman must be must not be having a very nice day today. How's the ETF doing? Not too hot on the pot sector. How's the weekly?
3 Alsmans. X1.
right, not too hot. Let's see if we can hunt any trades down from the from Market Chameleon. Twilio. I think there might be some sort of volatility play structured on this, but I don't like the disagreement between the IV30 and the HVP being so high here. Essentially, the IV30 would just imply that, hey, premium's pretty cheap here, but the HVP would imply, hey, you've realized quite a lot of volatility already. So the assumption could be lower volatility in the future, or a continuation of this extreme. Let's take a look at Texas Instruments. We looked at McDonald's. We looked at yesterday. Let's take a look at FedEx. There's probably some sort of volatility play on FedEx here. HVP very, very low. This is not something I would bet directionally, just because you are, from a tools perspective, probably bet positive, but from a general trading perspective, I think it might be more efficient for you to actually bet on volatility expanding rather than direction, just because you're outside of the band here. You do have quite a random market as well. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly entropy moving down, weekly SSR out of the band on this move down as well. Not too hot. Not too hot. Probably do a volatility play on this though. Nice. Alright, we're gonna add this to our watch list. Alright, let me actually clean this up a little bit. I want to see what we're gonna be betting on next week. No, god damn it. Oh my god, did I do this twice? Sorry guys, I'm a little bit under the weather today. Alright. Fucking boomer with the computer here. Do we want to make a bet on GME? Not quite yet. Alright, we'll add it. Fuck it. Alright, so here's our list for next week. I'll let you guys know on Twitter if I end up buying these before the end of the day, or whether I end up taking positions on these. For example, FedEx, I'll probably do an options play on. Whereas the other ones, I want to wait for more directional play. I think the HVP will come in. I mean, you could do fucking vol play on all of them, honestly. All right, we'll keep an eye on these for next week. How's the market doing? Powerful S&P 500. Yeah, I mean, not much to do at this point other than fucking hang on tight. Fuck, awesome. All right. Anything you guys are looking at? If not, we might just cut a earlier stream. Unless you want to post some fucking links to memes, we can take a look at those on stream. Did anything happen in the finance world? Let's check. No, I don't think we had any Fed events since the raise rates, right? Or the tapering nonsense. Check out CHR. All right, let's take a look. Is this on the Toronto Stock Exchange? Chorus Aviation? Or is this, no, it's probably fucking cryptos. Of course it's fucking cryptos. Yeah, we were looking at this one, weren't we? This was one of the bigger movers. Oh no, that was CRO. That was CRO. CHR, you're above the 5% cone. HVP still expanding. Powerful stuff. Could it go higher? Definitely. But am I gonna be taking bets on something like this? No, probably not. I don't want to short shit, and I don't want to onboard when I don't want to onboard when things are unlikely. I would probably rather do an options play, but we don't have options on this shit. Safe and effective. Safe and effective. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. $27. And let's expand this out to like 0.1. Above the 0.1% cone on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at this on the 12-hour. We still got some room on the 12-hour. HVP very high on the 12-hour though. I'd probably bet on cooling off of this. If you're taking positions here, be very careful. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream short here. Let's go over the markets before we take off. Bitcoin. Oh, actually, we could take a look at the lower time frames on Bitcoin if there's anything interesting. Four-hour HVP picking up, price going lower and entropy going lower could spell some downside here in the near future. Look for mom to cross down to kind of denote that, hey, you can see a move here soon. This will be pretty good for me as I'm trying to buy more at a lower price. Let's see if that translates into the daily as well. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. Fucking crazy day for S&P 500. We've almost done 1%, guys. huge day in the S&P 500. All right, goddamn boomers. Nasdaq. Entropy moving lower, SSR moving up. Nice. Let's see where we close for the weekly close. That'll be pretty important. I'm not reading that in code. Or that's K, isn't it? Yeah, you guys change your names so often. All right. Anything else we want to cover? No, I think we're good there. Thanks, guys, for joining. I know it's been a shorter stream, but I appreciate you nonetheless. If I don't see you tonight, then have a happy weekend. Take a break from the charts. Get outside, go see the sun, and have a good one.
people here watching you right now?
I don't know.
Okay.